Hello guys, hope you all are doing great. Today we are going to learn about ruler tool in Adobe Photoshop. So before watching this tutorial, just show your love by subscribing the PIXIPACE YouTube channel. Now let's enjoy the tutorial of ruler tool. As same as the old tutorials, I would love to clarify you what is ruler tool and what is the purpose of ruler tool in Adobe Photoshop. So ruler tool calculate the path between two objects in workspace. So it is completely beneficial for the precise position of any element. Now let's enjoy the tutorial, let's enjoy the practical and learn more about it. To use the ruler tool, just press on eyedropper tool and hold it. Or you can also right click on eyedropper tool to select the ruler tool. And eyedropper tool will reveal it once you right click on that tool. Here it is, ruler tool. And now in that picture we have two objects and I want to clarify the path in between or the position of the same object. And let's check object 1 and object 2. We draw a line, it's a non-printable line, so that's why it's a very beneficial tool to use, because once we use a object selection tool or any object tool, it would be a printable tool, but this tool is completely a non-printable. Once you draw a line, it would show only on your raw work or on your PSD file. It won't be shown on any kind of file like JPEG, PNG or any other kind of raster or vector file. As you can find here, I draw a single line and it shows the exact values of that line. Here you can find the X, Y, W, H, A and L1 values. Now let's understand what these values and what is the purpose of these values. Now X and Y, it shows the current position of the path which we are going to select. Suppose this one, it shows the current position of this path. X means X horizontal and Y horizontal. It shows the exact location. Next is W and H. W means width or I can say horizontal path. H means height or vertical path. It means it shows the traveled path. Y is width, like we traveled 1042 pixels and 5 pixels of height. So this is how much path we traveled, and again xy is the current position of that path, and w and h is the path traveled by using the ruler tool. Next is angle. It means the angle of the path, like at what angle the path is. Like for now it's a 7.8 6.8, and it shows the exact angle of that, like 86.7. So this is about angle. And the next here you can find the L1 or L2. It shows the exact value of path traveled by the ruler tool. Like here it is, the length is, and L1 shows the current length of that ruler tool traveled by that tool. And here you can find the values will be changed as per our commands, like x, y, w, h, a and l1 value will be changed as per our commands. Again, x and y represent the current position of the path, and w and h represent the height and width traveled by the ruler tool, and angle represent a represent the angle, and L represent the length traveled by the ruler tool. Now let's do more practical with it. Suppose I'm going to select the path from here to here. By pressing the shift, it draw a exact same line without moving the height. And if you want to use like a 45-degree angle, then you can also use the shift, like it convert it into 45, 90, and here it is without changing the height or angle. It can be do by the use of shift. Now let's do more practical, and suppose I selected this path. It means our object is needed 703 pixels. Suppose I'm going to make a subject or object rectangle tool. By using a rectangle tool, I am using rectangle, and I'm going to fill the width of that particular path, that is 703. And here we draw rectangle. I'm going to use a fill. No, I don't need a stroke, and here it is. And here you can check, we draw a exact same rectangle without bothering any other object or in our workspace or Photoshop. This is how it is useful. Now here you can find the button of straighten line. Now let's understand what is straighten line. It means it will rearrange the position or the location of our element or object. Now let's select any object. Suppose I would like to change the position of this object, or I'd like to rearrange the position of this object. Then I'll simply select this and use the straighten line or use the ruler tool and draw a line. Suppose I draw a line of 45-degree, then simply click on straighten layer. And here it rearranges the position to 45-degree. Now let's try with our second object and select this object, then simply choose the ruler tool or draw a line at any position. Suppose again I would like to 135-degree angle, and then I'll simply click on straighten layer, and here it convert. You can check how easy it is. We don't need to use every time transform tool or fill any kind of angle. We can use simply ruler tool to use this principle. I hope you learned something from this tutorial, and definitely you like this video and share it with your friends, and practice these tools as much as you can, because these tools are really time saving. Again, at the end of this video, I'd like to say that again, subscribe and share PIXIPACE YouTube channel, and thank you for watching this video.